I'm very happy to be here to be a part of Midday Showbiz Awards. In fact, Midday and the Jagran Group, they have been forerunner, they have been leaders in terms of providing apt information to we citizens, which is a healthy basis for a robust democracy.
And you've always been encouraging events that is related to, goodness, health, and of course you're an amazing singer yourself. How does it feel encouraging art and culture?
In fact, this is the basis of our country. Our country is known for art and culture. Our industry has made us proud. Mumbai is a well-known place, mainly because of the film industry and the artisans we have here in Mumbai. So I'm proud that they are being awarded. They have a great influence on our culture. They have a great influence on the overall conduct of our population.
Ma'am, is it possible to give us one line of...
I'll try.
Oh,
Thanks.
thank you so much.
Thanks.
As always, and it's an honor to be here. And thank you very much for having us and the team Rosie.
How do you feel that finally art and entertainment is back?
Feeling relieved because this is how badly we've been waiting for it. But I'm very happy that each and every person is taking a lot of precautions for COVID, and it's also taught us a lot of lesson and the value and the necessity of also coming back to entertainment field, which is also like absolutely important for all of us. So yeah, thank you. Thank you, thanks.
सर कैसे लग रहा है मिडे शोबिज आइकन अवार्ड्स में आकर?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। ये तो इसका सेकंड टाइम। क्या हुआ? माइक पे बोलूँ? अच्छा ये है माइक, यहाँ सेंटर में रख देना भाई, ऐसे रख देना। हाँ, बेस्ट विशेस फॉर मिड डे शोबिज। और आई थिंक इट्स द सेकंड टाइम दे आर इट्स हैपनिंग। तो पहली बार भी मैं आया था और आई एम फॉर्चुनेट अगेन। और कोविड के बाद आई थिंक दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट फंक्शन विच आई एम अटेंडिंग। तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि एक साल से तो हम लोग कहीं बाहर निकले ही नहीं। और बस जो बहुत वीर हैं जो बाहर निकल रहे हैं, हम तो इतने वीर हैं नहीं जो बाहर निकले, आज निकले पहली बार। तो बस अच्छा लग रहा है। एंड सबको मेरी शुभकामनाएं, मिड डे को भी और आप सब लोगों को भी जो भी सामने खड़े हैं। भाई अपना ख्याल रखें, टेक केयर। और मास्क नाक पे नीचे नहीं रखें, नाक के ऊपर रखें। चलिए, ओके। हाँ, हो गया।
Very good and nervous also. This is the first time I'm attending a function like this. Mask is right here. Just going to come up with this. But I mean, we have to get back to normal, and I'm very happy to be here at Midday Showbiz Awards. I believe it's the second year. I wish them all the best. I'm very happy to be here and excited to see what's in store. Thank you.
सर कैसा लग रहा है आपको मिडे आइकन शोबिज आइकन अवार्ड्स में आकर?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि लॉकडाउन के बाद मुझे कोई अवार्ड शो पे आने का चांस मिला है। और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि इट्स मिड डे एज अ ब्रांड आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम द टाइम they've started, and it's been a great journey. You can say grown up with Midday in Mumbai. So I'm looking forward to meeting. I hope some people will show up in spite of the situation that we are in, the pandemic situation we are in, and I hope to be able to at least meet some people. काफ़ी time हो गया।
And how does it feel? You're such a versatile actor, and it feels really nice to see you. We will be seeing much more of you. We will be seeing you all across the world.
Yeah, actually, everything that I shot for last year in 2019 came out in the lockdown, because I think content was in high demand. So even films which were supposed to be for theatrical release also came out on the OTT platforms. So I think that is the reason I was everywhere during the lockdown in all the platforms. Because I had, I think in 6 months I had 6 releases or something like that. But that's a coincidence, and now there's nothing else left, so it's back to the drawing board, back to work, to make stuff. So we've started shooting now. I'm taking precautions for the pandemic, obviously, and it'll be a while. I think at least a few months till you see me again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi everyone.
कितनी एक्साइटमेंट है आज की मीडिया अवार्ड में आना?
मैं हमेशा अवार्ड्स जो है इज़ अ वे टू अप्रिशिएट आर्टिस्ट्स, यू नो. आप अगर कोई अच्छा काम करते हो उसे अगर कोई सराहता है तो वो हमेशा आर्टिस्ट्स के लिए एक्साइटिंग होता है. सो यस, आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अ ग्रेट इवनिंग. आई वुड से मिड डे हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन काइंड. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर निकलती नहीं हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो इधर उधर जाती नहीं हूँ, बट वेन एवर मिड डे हैज़ रिटन एन आर्टिकल ऑन मी, दे हैव बीन रियली काइंड. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई एम वेयरिंग अ बॉबी के जो मेरी टीम ने स्टाइल किया है, एक्सो एक्सो टैलेंट, एंड आई एम really excited. I think I'm actually looking pretty today. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys, after the lockdown, I think this is the first time I've dressed up and I've come out. So I was a little nervous because वो एक आदत होती है आपकी, you know, to do your hair, to just put on a good dress and everything. वो शायद पिछले 8-9 महीनों में छूट गई थी, but now slowly we're getting back into it. So today was like 5 minutes. I just wanted to look at myself. Okay, I'm looking nice. See, it was disappointing because मैं ट्रैवल करने वाली थी, बहुत सारे प्लान्स जो हैं पोस्टपोन किए मैंने, लेकिन इन अ वे इट वाज अ वेरी क्रिएटिव लॉकडाउन फॉर मी एंड आर्यन. ऑफ कोर्स we created so many good songs, and you know, I think for us it was interesting because we came up with a lot of good ideas and a lot of new things. So it was okay, not that bad. Yes, definitely. I am doing an English film called Dear Mom, जिसके लिए I'm just waiting for them to open the travel so I can travel. And of course, my music album is going to come next month. So there are a few things in pipeline. Thank you. Yeah.
Hi everyone.